Hello everyone, my name's Alan from Technology Moments and thanks for watching our videos. In this opportunity we're gonna be sharing the experience that we had with this cylindrical smart lock that we thought was gonna be very practical for our routines of having access to our home. In the box you'll find the in and outside unit. The inside unit is where the batteries are located, hence this connecting cable. The outside unit, which has the electric mechanism and the traditional key access, and the keypad for fingerprint, card and pin input. You'll get the handles that will let you use this unit as a left or right hand lock, very practical of course, and in the accessory box you'll find the keys, the cylindrical lock, the RF cards, and the necessary screws, as well as the hex key necessary to secure the handles. This specific model features a normal cylindrical door lock. You might want to have it paired with another deadbolt, either smart lock or traditional lock. If you're an enthusiast like us, we're already thinking of adapting a bigger battery compartment of at least AA batteries. Time will tell if it is needed or not. For sure, you might find out our feedback. Finishing of the unit is very good, and for a basic lock, seems strong enough. Both units provide you with the gasket needed to avoid humidity from reaching the inside components. Here you can see the location of each one of the screws, but it is important to know that you'll also get the template for you to drill, so the door lock is gonna be correctly installed. Installation may be just a matter of minutes if you use a similar cylindrical lock at home. An advice that I always give to new users of smart locks is to use it for a few days on top of your desktop so you can test its capabilities and ease of use. And of course, decide if you made the right decision. In this case, we felt it was. Configuring the unit is as simple as following the instructions and enrolling users directly to the unit, a process that can actually take just a few minutes. Or you can go for the app, for which if you decide to do so, it might be better to reset the unit to default values so your Bluetooth will find it and will be able to connect to it with the fantastic T-Lock app. This unit does not connect out of the box to the internet or your digital assistant, so you might actually need to get the gateway from the same brand to do so. Not sure if these brands are gonna last long enough in the market to get support. Great product though, and I would actually get another right away if, for example, like many of you, need to manage access to several locations such as rental apartments and Airbnbs. Great experience so far, and after 3 weeks, we have used this unit with no problem. If you're still watching this video published, our experience continues to be great. We hope this video was of great help if you're in the decision-making process of getting your smart lock for your home. See you next time.